Try to imagine what happened to the world. Sa diya kalibutan, mabukad ka na sa may sura. Ha? Kita mo salita ng 2012. Masa pinakapabukad sa 2012? Earthquake? Flood ako? Flood ako? Kaya lang lagi. 2012 is a movie that di ba mo na nagsakay sa barko ng kurang takot? For me, when I saw that video, I really say to myself, it's a blasphemy movie. You're making the Lord liar. Why? The Bible says, He promised ang mga dilit na yun, mahitabo ang baha sa tibok kalibutan. But did God make that event the same again, no? Naging gusto na ng barka. No, it's not like that. It's through fire. They're making the world believe in ano kung mahitabo sa end of the world. It's not. No? Yan, kung nga dato ako maluwas, gawas ato kawag-kawag sa pati. Well, it's not grabe yung ano yung hitabo sa kalibutan. But what the Bible says is like this, no? It's through the fire. Kung ano ni muli ako, natawag ang video pagkakit niya. It's fire. Okay? Imagine everywhere is fire and all the cities destroyed. Who did Jeremiah say was the cause of the global destruction? Who? Who did Jeremiah say causes this destruction? The presence of the Lord is first an anger. Anger to the sin and not to the people. Kaya lang, mura ba o bakit ginako ni Marco kani? Kaya naman sa sulod sa